Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Home Sweet Home mason jar. I've gone in first with the color Savannah Mist and Barn Red and just base coated my mason jar and then let that dry. And then I've gone in with a sponge brush and some black paint and just outlined the edges of my mason jar and then just did the little distressing at the top. And then I'm going over that with the color Cotton and highlighting everything. And now I'm just going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and do the lettering. And of course, if you don't feel comfortable going in and hand lettering this, I would absolutely go in with some vinyl. That works as well. But these Sharpie markers definitely help. And then once I'm done with my lettering, I'm going to go back in with the number 4 round and that color Cotton again. And I'm just going to highlight my lettering just to brighten it up a little bit on this dark red background. And that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.